Hi, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the weekly crypto tech review of Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll be looking at the MACDs, the moving averages, and the week's support, resistance, and pivot levels. This is a tech analysis for the week ending the 18th of July. Looking at Bitcoin against the US dollar and the daily candlesticks, bearish start to the week here. Going to need to see Bitcoin avoid the pivot at 33,862 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 35,662. Support from the broader market is going to be needed for Bitcoin to break out from last week's high of 35,280 however. So barring an extended rally in the week, expect that first major resistance level and resistance at 36,000 to cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally, should see Bitcoin target 38,000 levels before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 37,079. A fall through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 32,445 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the week, Bitcoin should stay clear as sub 30,000 levels. Second major support level at 36,445 should limit the downside. Looking at the MACD, slight widening of the bullish histogram at the turn of the week. Avoided a bearish cross last week, so I need to keep an eye on that through the early part of the week. Expect a bearish cross to pin Bitcoin back in the week. On the EMAs, the 50 has pulled further back from the 100 and the 200, with the 100 closing in on the 200. These are bearish signals. So key through the early part of the week would be to avoid the pivot at 33,862 and break through to 35,000 levels to bring resistance levels into play. Failure to do that, support levels will be in play. Moving across to Ethereum against US dollar, relatively positive start to the week. Going to need to see Ethereum move through the pivot at 2201 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 2351. Going to need to see plenty of support from the broader market for Ethereum to break back through to 2300 levels however. So barring an extended rally in the week, expect that first major resistance level to cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally, should see Ethereum target the second major resistance level at 2562 before any pullback. We'll need to see plenty of support from the broader market however for Ethereum to break out from last week's high, 2411.19. Failure to move through the pivot would bring the first major support level at 1990 into play. Barring an extended sell-off in the week, Ethereum should avoid sub 1900 levels. Second major support level sits at 1839. Looking at the MACDs, we have a narrowing of the bullish histograms through the week and at the turn of the week. So look out for a possible bearish cross there that would pin Ethereum back. More significantly on the EMAs, the 50 has closed in on the 100 EMA, so look out for a bearish cross there that would send Ethereum into the red and bring support levels into play. So key would be to move through the pivot at 2201 and back through to 2300 levels, bring resistance levels into play. Failure to do that, support levels will be in play.